G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee and Fluffy the sales dog here. Hello, thanks for watching this video. Check out this, I'm excited about this car. This is very rare and very special. This is, well, obviously it's purple, but you've got to call it the right purple. I call it midnight purple because it's one of those nice purples that kind of changes color in the light. And I can't work out whether it's called amaranth, whether it's called Morello purple. I've got another client that reckons there's less than 200 were made in this color combination with the Widebody. This is a factory color, it's not a repaint, and it's just a gorgeous little Widebody mini, and it's a factory Widebody, which means these pumped out fender flares were on the car from new. There's a lot of cloned wide bodies come out of Japan. When I say cloned, people have bought the fender flares and modified the car to look like this, but this is out of the factory with those pumped out guards. And this is a magnificent example. We have had one other one in this color. If you go back through our YouTube videos, you'll see one this color, but I haven't had one for many years. We got very lucky buying this car in Japan. It was at an obscure auction. Normally these go absolutely through the roof crazy. And this is a nice example. This is a little Sportspack version that's got the factory leather interior as well as the pumped out wide body wheel arches and the 13-inch rims. And this is a magnificent example. It's in really beautiful condition. The rims are perfect. There's no paint blemishes anywhere on this car. We've just given it a wash. This is how it's come from Japan. You can see that it's got the flag on the back windscreen. You can see through that. Actually, it's a special sticker that you can see through in your rear vision. It's got the mini weather shields. That's a very rare option. And just have a look at it inside. It's beautiful. The leather seats are in magnificent condition. If you have a look very carefully there, it's got Mini Cooper embossed into the leather seats, and they're in really good nick, those seats. All the pipings are nice. It's got a cool metal gear shifter. You can see there the stereo is missing, so that's a job for somebody. I'm not going to do that. People have got very particular taste about what they put for their stereo. You might want to get a modern, up-to-date Bluetooth player. That's certainly what I'd do. Other people want to go for a retro or a classic. This has got aftermarket cup holders. It's the airbag model, and this has got icy cold air conditioning, and it works perfectly. She blows very cold. Have a look at this color. It's just magnificent. Just check it. Sort of changes to a bluey, greeny color, but it's definitely purple, and she's just beautiful. If you like the look of this little Rover Mini, give us a buzz at SunRIseCars and Edward Lee's. Our number is 02 9744 0539. You can send this anywhere in Australia. Call us for a quote if you're interstate. It costs a lot less than what most people think to send this anywhere in Australia. In last month we sent a couple to Tassie, we sent a couple to Perth. We've got one going to Brisbane, we've got one going to Melbourne. So we're sending cars all over the country. I guess we've got kind of special and unique cars. And yeah, this is one area where you can get some rust. It's perfect around these gutter rails here. This one's perfect. Bottoms of the doors, that's a spot where you can get rust. Bottom of the sill panels is a spot. It's all like new on this car. I'd say it's been garaged all its life. It's very clean. There's no signs of rust anywhere on this car. Let's see there, the back seat. Also beautiful. Guess I should show you under the bonnet. Now these are little special aftermarket bullet mirrors. There's some kind of a brand name on there. Not an expert on those, but I like them. I think they suit the car. It's also got just a little attention to detail. The chrome wipers. It's got a cool chrome backed rear vision mirror. These are parts that are not necessarily stock standard. At the badging there. If you know your minis too, you'll know these headlights around is another spot where you just might see a little bit of pitting where the chrome's going. This one, not so, it's beautiful. Clean engine bay, fuel injection, air conditioning, 1.3. So these are nice because with the fuel injection, they start first turn of the key. Very reliable. You can use this as a daily driver. All right, thanks for watching this video. Signing off. That's my handsome face there if you want to come and say good day. My name's Phil Lee from Edward Lee's and SunRIseCars. Our new shop is at 1149 Victoria Road, West Ryan. Come and say good day. And if I'm not around, just come and ask for Fluffy the sales dog. Fluff! Whee! It's not very good today. It's meant to be selling cars. Thanks for watching. See ya.